Hi guys, so welcome back to my channel. Adu here, and actually ads on YouTube. So in today's video I am planning for the week beginning May 30th to June 5th, I believe, using this Meadow kit from CaressPress, and I matched it with the Lavender Hollow Mixed Metal Foil Bundle from SBC because I felt like this would be a perfect match. Colour block in this kit was everything I dreamed of and more. Basically it was just so amazing. I thought this was the perfect like early summer kit to transition into my summer kits because I knew I needed to use it and I couldn't use it in May since I did a mermaid theme, so I thought this was perfect. I just had to add this to my lineup. So if you haven't already, make sure you subscribe to my channel before you leave and turn on the bell to be notified every single time I upload. I'm going to continue on with my questions as you guys watch me lay down my base. So the next question I'm going to answer is, who was your favourite teacher in school and why? So my favourite teacher in school was like in my last 2 years of secondary school, and I think her name was Miss Dear. She was my sociology teacher and also my psychology teacher, but the psychology was an extra GCSE, so we did it after school and stuff. And I just loved the way she taught me, and you know when teachers believe in you so much, and you can tell she was one of those teachers that believed in me so much. And even on my results day, I knew that she was like adamant on me getting a high grade, and I knew that I had gotten it just by seeing her like following me around waiting for me to open it. So that was my favorite teacher in school. So what 3 things do you think of the most each day? The 3 things I think of the most each day is if my son is okay, like if he's healthy, is okay, is he eating well, is he sleeping well, is he happy? That's kind of the thing I wake up thinking about. Then I think about like family, my husband, my mum, my mother-in-law, my dad, brothers, all of that. The third thing I think about is a meld between planner stuff and food. Those are the 2 things I think about after I think about like my loved ones: planning and food, especially since I don't get to plan as much. So watching Plan With Me is thinking about playing with my own stickers. That's something I do a lot. There's not much left of the base, so I might start a little bit early and hopefully I don't get too ahead of myself. So in the sidebar I noted that Malik spent some time with his other grandma, my mother-in-law, with this Puppet Bear Studio grandma sticker and a custom with Grandma F script from Tilly Journals. Then I noted it was week 15 of my maternity leave, and I used a maternity leave sticker from Bella Plan Ella and a week 15 script from PMD Stickers. So okay, I ended up being right on time. Starting with Monday, I noted being tired AF with this sleep mask sticker from SBC and a tired AF script from Carly Plants. Next I noted cuddling with Malik with this Paper K sticker and a Malik Cuddles custom script from Carly Plants. And then noted waking up with like some really bad neck pains with this Paper K. This is basically back pains, but I thought what else would I use to note that, and the purple matched perfectly. I then used this teacup from Paper Candy Art to note that I had some tea. I had my morning cuppa. Next I marked reading. I put that on the wrong side. Oh well, it's covered so it doesn't matter now. I marked that I had my morning. I did some reading with Malik with this sticker from SBC and a read script also from SBC, and the with Malik is a custom script from Riley the Plant. I then used this what's this called, Lovey sticker from Paper and Milk to note that Malik was in his chair. I used this Paper Candy Art sticker to note getting some Starbucks with a Starbucks script from, this looks like it is from a Pink Diamond Planner Code foil bundle. I use a YouTube play button from the foil bundle and upload Plan With Me script from Sugarbox stickers to note uploading my Plan With Me. I know it doing an Insta like promo post with an Instagram icon from SBC and a post script from Bella Plan Ella. I know it watching Grey's Anatomy with this think this was meant to be Christina sticker from the Coffee Monsters Co. and a Grey's Anatomy script from Carly Plans. On Tuesday, I noted being moody with this sad girl from Fox and Cactus and a moody Madam custom script from Adobe Designs. I noted a Plan With Me binge with the Stick With a Plan Go Girl and a Plan With Me binge custom script from Make Plans. Next, I noted doing another Instagram post with a Instagram sticker from Melanin Electric and a postscript from Bella Plan Ella. So I don't know if my PR code will still work, but use Adiatu15 to possibly get 15% off Bella Plan Ella. I noted calling about like my mortgage with the phone icon from an old SBC foil bundle. I noted a Plan With Me filming a Plan With Me with this paper case sticker and a film Plan With Me script from Sugarbox Stickers. I noted pulling stickers with this sticker sheet sticker from SBC and a pull sticker script from Carly Plans. I noted watching more Grey's Anatomy with another emoji and a Grey's Anatomy script from, well, this one's meant to be Christina. Who's that one meant to be? Who knows? Another Grey's Anatomy script. I then noted Malik was moody with this Benny Bush creation sticker and a moody Malik script from Adobe Designs. On to Wednesday, I marked Hello June with this cake sticker from like an old scribbler from SBC and a Hello June script from Rose Colour Days. I used a house sticker from the foil bundle to note that there was drama with the mortgage. If you don't know, I've been going through this mortgage for almost 2 years now. Well, we've had to change houses in the process, but it's been a long time. Then I used a sticker sheet sticker from SBC and a pull sticker script from Carly Plants to note pulling stickers. I used this Instagram icon from the kit and a post script from Bella Plant Ella to note another Instagram post. And then I noted uploading a Plan With Me with this this YouTube play button sticker from SBC and I upload Plan With Me script from Sugarbox Stickers. I noted filming another Plan With Me with this planner sticker from Paper Milk and a film Plan With Me script from Adobe Designs. I noted watching some movies with this popcorn sticker from Carly Plans and a movie night script from the foil bundle. Then I noted watching Agents of S.H.I.E.L.D. with this Maria Hill sticker from PM71 Sticker Co. and a binge watch script from Nick Plants. On to the other side, on Thursday, I marked my husband was off work with this house icon from SBC. I know it'd been super tired with this paper K gal and a tired AF script from Carly Plans. I noted making some breakfast with this egg sticker from Carly Plans. Then I noted a Plan With Me binge with this planner sticker from the foil bundle and a Plan With Me binge script from Make Plans. Next, I noted watching more Grey's Anatomy with another emoji from the Coffee Monsters Co. and a Grey's Anatomy script from Carly Plans. I noted filming another Plan With Me with this paper K girl and a film Plan With Me script from Adobe Designs. And then I noted a Plan With Me, a post on Instagram with this Instagram icon from the Coffee Monsters Co. and a postscript from Bella Plant Ella. Then I noted that Malik was growing so big with this Babe Grow sticker from Carly Plants. On to Friday, I noted that my husband was off again this day with a house sticker from SBC. I noted that we had some family playtime with this custom family sticker from Teddy Plans Co. and a playtime script from Carly Plants. Then I noted taking a nap with this paper K gal and a nap script from the foil bundle. I noted that Malik was super moody with this crying baby sticker from paper K and a moody Malik custom script from Adobe Designs. In the second half, I did a DIY half book extender with 2 bougie boxes. So I noted pulling stickers with this SBC sticker sheet sticker and a pull sticker script from Bella Plant. This was a big script. This is one of the first custom scripts I ordered from her before realizing I could ask to have them smaller, but I just used it because I had it. Then I noted another Plan With Me upload with the YouTube play button from SBC and upload Plan With Me script from Sugarbox Stickers. I noted filming another Plan With Me. I was really filming lots of Plan With Me's here. I think this is when I was trying to catch up, even though I'm still not caught up. With a paper K girl and a film Plan With Me script from Adobe Designs. Then noted another Grey's Anatomy binge with this emoji and a Grey's Anatomy script from Carly Plans. I noted another Insta post with the Coffee Monsters Co. Instagram sticker and a post script from Bella Plan Ella. Then I noted cuddling with Malik with this paper case sticker and a cuddle script from the foil bundle. On to Saturday. I noted being super duper tired with this Tired Girl from Paper K. Well, it's not a girl, it was a bear. And a So Freaking Tired script from Sweet Everest Paper. I noted getting me and everyone was ready. Getting everyone, me, my husband and my baby ready before 12 with this star icon from the foil bundle. I noted making us some breakfast with the Carly Plans breakfast sticker. And then we're getting some Happy Meal with this SBC Happy Meal sticker and a script from Sugar Box stickers. Next I noted taking an Uber to go to the house where my mother-in-law was because she was in London with this car sticker from the foil bundle. I noted some family time with a heart sticker also from the foil bundle and a family time script from Planner Face. Then I noted that Malik was with his grandma with this grandma sticker from Baba Bear Studio and a with grandma script from Plan Hannah. And then I used this movie marquee to note watching some shows with my husband when we got home with this TV icon from the foil bundle and a watch shows with Babe custom script from Mick Plant, which is no longer a custom because she has it in her shop now. On to Sunday. I noted sleeping in with a pillow icon from Carly Plans and a sleep in script from Pink Diamond Planner Co. I'm just saying random words at this point. I used this emoji sticker to note watching more Grey's Anatomy. I used a TV time script from the foil bundle to note that because I wanted to use it. I used a TV icon also from the foil bundle to note watching more shows with my husband, and I used a watch shows with Babe script from Make Plans. I noted a Plan With Me binge with the Stick With The Plan Girl and a Plan With Me binge script from Make Plans. Then I noted doing a voiceover with this Olive recording a voiceover and a voiceover script from Carly Plans. Next I noted doing some planning with Planner sticker from Paper and Milk and a planning time script from the foil bundle. I noted a family cuddle session with this custom family sticker from Teddy Plans Go and a family cuddle sesh custom script from Make Plans. Then I noted that Malik was happy and giggly with this what is it called? A shaker? A rattle. A baby rattle sticker from Sweet Choir Design. Then I noted that I had a headache with this headache sticker from Stick With Plan Co. So that is the end of this plan with me. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Be sure to give me a thumbs up if you like this video and comment down below what you thought of this spread. If you want to see close-ups of my spreads and stuff, be sure to follow my Instagram, which is PlanWithAds. So I'm going to show you guys a bit of a wiggle in a second and what was left of the kit. So I don't know if this is the new formats, but I realized I've been getting the essentials format from CaressPress, but then I realized now that I'm color blocking, I kind of run out of little things, so I might have to get the one that it doesn't have the checklist, but we shall see. But anyways, I'll see you in the next video. Bye.